Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect a payment provider to your Wix website so you can start accepting payments smoothly and securely. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of where to navigate within your dashboard, the exact steps you need to follow, and what each stage of the setup process involves. You'll also know what to expect along the way, so you can complete everything smoothly and without confusion. Start by going into your Wix dashboard, which is the central place where you control your website's settings, tools, and overall business operations. From there, check the menu on the left-hand side and locate the Getting Paid section. This is the dedicated area for all payment-related functions, such as checkout setup, handling transactions, and managing payouts. Entering this section ensures you're in the correct place to configure how your website receives and processes payments.
Once you're inside, click on Connect and Setup. This will open Wix's guided setup flow, which acts like a step-by-step checklist to help you enable everything needed for payments to work properly. At this stage, you're not changing anything about your site's design. You're simply setting up the behind-the-scenes systems that allow you to receive payments. Next, select Connect Payment Method. This will display a list of available payment providers. The options you see may vary depending on your country and the type of business you're running, so it's completely normal if your list looks different from others. You may see well-known providers like PayPal, along with other regional payment gateways. If you don't immediately find the one you're looking for, click on See More to explore additional options.
Once you choose the payment provider you want to work with, click on it and hit Connect to begin the setup. Wix will then walk you through a step-by-step process to complete the integration. This usually involves logging into an existing payment account or creating a new one if you don't already have it, giving Wix permission to link the account to your website, and filling in or confirming your basic business information. Depending on the provider you selected, you might also be asked to adjust a few extra settings, such as your preferred currency, how often you receive payouts, or any identity and verification checks required before activation. Once everything is completed, your selected provider will appear as active in the Getting Paid section. This confirms that your website is now ready to process payments through that method. If you'd like to offer more than one payment option, you can repeat the same steps to add additional providers. That's all there is to it. You've successfully connected a payment provider and prepared your Wix site to start accepting payments with confidence. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides like this. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.